Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This in today's video, me and my husband we're going to replace our downspout. Um, we had a house next door to us which collapsed, and once it collapsed, all the debris and everything fell over and crashed into our house. So it ruined a couple things: our gate, our door, and our downspout. As you can see, this is the crushed downspout. Um, and that's the new downspout that me and my husband are going to put up today. I got a couple prices on plumbers putting up the downspout, and they're pretty pricey. So me and my husband decided to do it ourselves. And this is where we have to put the downspout all the way up there. And this is what we're going to do today. So watch us put up our new downspout. Um, Comment, like, subscribe. I'm a DIY person, so I do a lot of DIYs. So this is one I'm really hands-on when trying to get things done for my house. Um, and also in everything. I like to do it myself. So I can look up things and, you know, I'll fix them myself. YouTube teaches you a lot of things, and I have a tendency to follow directions pretty good. So just watch our video and watch us put together or put up our downspout. Okay, guys. At this point, guys, um, my husband, it was too long, so we had to cut the pipe. I don't even know what you call this. I don't even know if it's a pipe or I wouldn't say that it's a pipe. But however, we had to cut it down because it was too long. So that's what we're doing right now. We had our um, what is it? Our baby saw. We don't have major tools. We're not carpenters, but um, I'm pretty much the detail person in getting things done, and my husband is the laborer who will do the necessary work to achieve what I need. So I think I pretty much measured everything and carved it out, and that's him now cutting it.
We're not professionals, guys. put that in. They opened it wider, so they opened it like down here. That's why I said keep going down. Okay, pull it up and I'll put it. All done. Put it up. It's all done. We put it up. We didn't do perfect, but we have our stack back on our to protect our roof. And yeah, we did it. All done. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope we help somebody. See you in the next DIY.